Hello guys, this is Shivaram and you are watching Shivaram Btech. In last video, we discussed about basics of C language and also we divided C language into 11 chapters. Let's have a look at them. Today, we are going to learn our first chapter of C language. The topics covered in this video are variables, constant, keywords, output and input. Let's start with variables. In C, a variable is a storage location identified by name. For example, int age. Age is equal to 25. Here, age is a variable of type int that holds the value 25. Next, we have data types. Data types specify the type of data that a variable can hold. C has several basic data types including int, used for integers, example, all the numbers, which are integers, and float for floating points, only decimals, char for characters, example, char grade is equal to A. A should be mentioned in single quote. Now let's talk about constants. Constants are similar to variables, but their values cannot be changed once defined. They are used for values that should remain constant throughout the program. In C, constants can be defined using the keyword #define or const. For example, const int max students is equal to 30. Here, max students is a constant and #define pi is equal to 3.14. Here, we declared pi is a value 3.14. Keywords. Keywords are reserved words in C that have special meanings and cannot be used as variable names, and there are 32 keywords. For example, finally, let's discuss input and output operations in C. Output. To display output to the screen, we use printf function. For example, printf hello world. This line prints the text hello world. Input. To get input from the user, we use the scanf function. For example, look at this statement. Int age, printf enter your age, scanf %d, ampersand age, and printf your age is %d. Here, scanf reads an integer input from the user and stores it in the variable age. In conclusion, understanding variables, data types, constants, keywords, and input-output operations is essential for anyone learning C program.